Scott William here, Home City Home Life, getting out there. Going to see where my mother grew up today, hopefully. If there's a bunch of people hanging around out there, probably can't really do much then.
It's falling apart to it. They don't serve chicken no more.
That whole thing just fell off. Where did you go? I don't even think it's working, is it? Oh, yeah. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
It's working. Yeah, that's a nice little thing you can hold on to, huh?
Yeah.
Don't bang it against the window, though. Clunk, 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 clunk. Well, you don't have to film this. Filming the ditch. You like to film the ditch.
Yeah.
That one's holding up really good right there yet. So that's probably what I'll go with. Another one of these things.
Yeah, lots of wood here. Holy shit.
It's all ready to go. Yeah, that one broke. I kind of taped it on and it just still doesn't stay. I don't know why that thing.
This is C, I think.
This is what we want, right?
Yeah.
It's like the first creek down here, huh? First bridge. First bridge, Nubby. Nubby says, I don't know nothing.
Don't know nothing.
Are you shorts? I know nothing, shorts. Hogan's Heroes. That's a reference to Hogan's Heroes. That was a good show. Funny, what is going on here? I got something on here. I don't even know what it is. I don't see nothing yet here.
First getting to the cheese factory here.
Is it beyond that?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was right back there. There's no cheese factory. Which one is this?
Well, I don't know what
Mullins. This is Mullins. The Marshfield
It's
division.
Mullins now, but it was something else.
Yeah, I think so. I think it was part of Excursions, wasn't it?
Excursions, yeah.
One time.
It's right down here.
It's got to be down here because it's got to be where
I think.
that creek used to be or whatever. Yeah. I don't know if I can pull over or not. Get my butt out. Oh, is there room to pull over? There's somebody down there. Can you freaking believe it? There's somebody right there. Right there. And they're mowing.
Oh, yeah.
I can't pull over there. Okay, this is a creek that my mother used to play in when she was little. Get this damn thing open. There we go. There's a creek she used to play in when she was little. You keep your camera up on that side there, Nubby.
Yeah.
And then on the left over here is the house my grandfather built and my mom grew up in. And across the street where my dad is filming is where she went to school. My grandfather built this house and she went to school over here. Oh, make sure you get it. There's no cars coming in. This used to be a schoolhouse, one-room schoolhouse. She went to school there where her mother and her aunt were the teachers. Isn't that cool? It is cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I guess we got it pretty good. Now we're just gonna go explore, I guess. You never open your window. I never open your window, I guess. Oh well, it should come out pretty good. What's this road here, Nubby?
Don't know.
Just take this road. This is still Galvin. How can this be Galvin yet? Galvin Avenue yet?
I've been here some places where Gordy lived.
Yeah. Well, isn't she still out there or no?
Is she out there? I imagine. I don't know.
What the hell's her name? I can't even remember.
Jean or something.
Oh yeah, Gene.
Virgin.
Scott's still alive, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's as fat as I am. That's all I remember. Last time I saw him. He's shorter, so not good for him. You know what? I'm gonna open this window now and see if we can get some decent shots there from that window. I think. Get that down. Look at that thing. It's really done well. I like it. Yeah, it gets warm. You open the window, it gets warm. Now look at this up on the right. What in the heck is that? Another mystery building. We have mystery buildings out in the middle of nowhere here. Is that one of those Earth homes? It must be. Kinda. It's really different though, isn't it? Kind of hidden in there. Yeah, it's an Earth home. Huh. Well, dinner. Let's Might be a dead end because of the highway or 153.
Somebody's sitting there.
There's somebody sitting there.
Yeah.
You're like, what are you filming us for? It's a lovely day. Road closed ahead. I guess you can't really go that way. Well, we'll see where Balsam takes us. There's a house right there. Shut this down for a second. It's so peaceful out here, isn't it?
Yeah.
No noise. Except the birds. What? Let's just shut it off for a second.
Yes, it ain't blowing at all.
That's because I shut it off so I could hear the birds and stuff. Here's the corn. I think it's doing pretty good now. Nobody crawling along. Here's Leela's launding at them over here. This is a huge area back there. Ain't nobody home. Except for the one guy you saw sitting outside or whatever. There's an old style windmill on here, right? We're up to 97, I think. Maybe, maybe not.
Stratford over there.
Yeah.
Water tower.
Oh, no, we're not to 97 yet. This is closed down here too. Road closed.
Going that way.
All the roads are closed. Stratford. Welcome to Stratford, maybe. This is Drake Road. Drake Road. Every place is quiet. What a day. What a day. Ain't nobody behind us. Ain't nobody in front of us. Ain't nobody anywhere. There's an old bus out there. Yeah, just drive an old bus out there and use it for storage. Basically, that's what they're doing.
Yeah.
And they never do anything with it, you know. They'll just sit there until the roof rusts right through, you know, and everything in there gets destroyed anyway. Dabby, dabby, dabby. Dabby, dabby, dabby. Found we see a car finally. There's a car coming down the road. He's in the middle of the road. Put your butt over it, you idiot. That's better. That's a nice house. Nobody there either. Just hidden in the trees there. Once again, our back window's getting all dirty from this. Isn't that weird? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Alright, well, I guess I'll shut these up then.
There we go.
Now we're down to Stratford. Oops, it didn't go all the way up. There we go. Oh, there's a little machine there. That's tiny. I must wait. Who knows how fast they're coming. I'm not in any hurry.
Home for sale.
Huh?
Home for sale. We must want to buy it.
Probably did. Trade it. Even trade. Well, at this point, after all the shit Marshfield's putting us through, I could leave. What they did out there, you know? That's just going to piss me off, and it's just going to fester.
Fester.
Yeah. Especially if they come in there and say, oh, we're going to move the alley over there now, you know. Right next to the damn door, you know. And then all the dust will come in. You never can have those windows open, ever. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Unless they intend to blacktop it too, you know. Doubt it, though.
Well, I imagine that blacktop would never did do it.
Why would they?
I don't know.
You
They
can't.
always blacktop the alley.
Huh?
They blacktop the alleys.
They do.
Cars.
It's stupid, though. I don't like it. I do not like it one bit. Stratford. Town of Stratford. My mother could have went to school here, but she didn't for some reason. They were closer to Stratford. How come they didn't go here? I should ask Lois. My aunt, my mom's sister is still alive. What do you think? Knock on wood. You talked to her like a week ago, didn't you? A couple weeks ago.
Yeah, no, Stratford, I probably never met him.
True. You never know. It's funny how that works out, doesn't it? All things work. Yeah, you wish you could like replay your lives once. It's like, you know, Susan used to walk by all the time down to the smoke shop to get cigarettes.
Yeah.
And then she also worked for a while there, I guess, at the hospital as in the receptionist area. I was wondering if I saw her or came across her before, you know. Well, I probably did.
Probably.
If I saw anybody walk in front of our house and I was there, I always looked. It's not like I wouldn't have looked. Because I would have. What is this place? It's a church. Huh. It's a church, Debbie. So we're gonna go out to this park out here. There ain't much there, I know that if I recall, but we'll just drive around. I don't think there's camping there. Just drive out there and check it out. That's the goal. And we'll start making our way back towards Marshfield. Maybe an alternate route.
Roads are closed there. Alternate.
Well, they're not closed on 153 on that side, are they?
No.
So we'll go across the road here somewhere.
Yeah.
Come back that way somewhere. And there used to be a dance hall here. What was it? Riverside?
Riverview.
Riverview. Where Mom and Dad here would dance.
We had a wedding dance.
You had your wedding dance there too?
Yeah.
Yep. And now it's a livestock place.
Yeah.
The building's gone or whatever.
Yeah, it's on some farm. We drove around and found it.
Yeah, didn't they take some of the buildings somewhere else?
To a farm.
Yeah, to a farm. Yeah.
Machine shed or something.
Oh, is that right? I remember driving around looking for that. I don't know why.
We did. Joyce, we found it.
Oh.
But I don't remember where it is. I don't remember nothing.
You remember that? There's a greenhouse down there.
I think not.
What's that place? I don't know. There's all these indescript businesses out in the country. I'm just surprised. Indescript. Well, the road to that park is not very far, I don't think. I can't believe I was going to stop by that creek and there's somebody out there mowing right next to it. And that's exactly where I was going to stop. That's got to be up here. I see a sign down here. It is the Big Rapids County Park. All right, we're going to check it out. Pancake breakfast, W, July 15th. It's a dead end out here. Uh-oh. Oh, Jesus. Fell off there. Ruh-roh. Dead end, W. If there's people out there, I'll just leave my window up. But for now, I'll open that window. I mean, if there's kids or something, I don't want them to know I'm filming them. These windows are kind of tinted on these back here, aren't they? I think they are. They're a little tinted. Compared to ones here. Yeah, I think they're tinted. Oh, yeah. It is really pretty out here. Look at that over there.
Yeah.
Isn't it pretty? Let's see. This camera can see that better. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Look, so it's been 30 years since I've been out here. Something like that. And I saw Scott Schultz there last time I saw him alive. What, did he die of brain cancer or something?
Yeah, I think so.
Jeez Louise. I wonder how he got that. Well, he was in jail for a while. But he was also doing a lot of the plumbing stuff. You know, maybe it's something to do with the plumbing stuff. What do we got here? The Double 4 Ranch there. Look at all that. Oh, they got some landscaping there. It's beautiful. Well, where's the park? This is a dead end. Oh, it's down this way, I guess. There's a little tiny sign right here now.
Yeah.
right there. They got a fancy thing for their ranch too. I always get these buttons mixed up. I don't know which way to push them. I guess down goes down, and I think the other ones are reversed though, like in all the other vehicles I've ever had. I don't know why. But they confuse me for some reason. Maybe because they're flat in the panel here instead of on the side, you know? Oh, it's getting kind of woodsy down here, isn't it?
Woodsy, yeah.
15. This is part of the Marathon County Park Commission. Big Rapids Park. We are in Marathon County. Wow. Wow. Isn't it something? How dark it got?
I don't know if I ever got bedded down here.
It really got dark right there. Isn't that amazing? There isn't much here, I know that.
There's a car there. Somebody.
One car, yeah. They're probably sitting in there eating or something. Oh, yeah. I'm going to put this window up here. Where does that go? I guess there's more over here. Yeah, somebody sitting down there eating. That's probably her. Well, for a Saturday, there's somebody down there fishing too. There's nobody here hardly. It's really something though. Got brand new bathrooms. Check it out. Still look new.
There's a car.
That looks abandoned. Look how old that is.
Yeah, it's an old timer.
Look at the bathrooms over. I kind of like it actually.
Yeah.
No camping though or anything.
No camping.
But look at this bathroom. Doesn't that look nice?
Yeah.
Here, give me a shot of that with the window down. Those look brand new. I bet they are.
Yeah.
And they got picnicking over there. It's kind of nice. The water's down there, you know, obviously. I don't think we're gonna bother anybody. I don't know what that car is there. I think that might be abandoned. It's kind of weird. You can kind of see the water through there. Right through there, you can kind of see it. Yeah. Big rapids.
Yeah.
So the guy's down there fishing. She's up there eating.
Sitting on the bench there.
I like it. It's really nice. I remember Schultz was here and said, "Hey, Weedo!" That's how he spoke, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, Weedo! I'm just so confused with this thing. It's so dark right here, it's unreal. Now this is a canopy, isn't it though? Holy crap. This is the darkest canopy we've been under, I think.
Yeah.
It's like incredible. I'd say. I wonder if they got trails through this woods here.
I don't wonder where this road goes.
Yeah, that's a house. Houses. So we got numbers there.
Oh, I guess that's a road.
Yeah, that's too bad.
Look like a road.
All right, we gotta back out of here and do some more exploring. Still filming? Yep.
Sure, it's funny that ain't nobody there. Picnicking.
Yeah, it's Saturday. I guess there's one couple there picnicking. Then there's a guy. I think that's an abandoned car, actually. Reminds me of that one we saw at the McMillan Marsh entrance that one time. I saw it, I guess, because I had a video of him. I don't think you were along. An old truck right there and sitting there just waiting for somebody to start it up. Drive off. These guys both got fancy signs. Spindler's Hideaway. And then they got a fancy one down here too. I want to open this up so I can get a good shot of this person's shoot, this one dead on me.